Criminal Code of Cambodia, 2009. Article 465, Insurrection. Any collective violence likely to endanger the institutions of the Kingdom of Cambodia or to undermine the integrity of national territory constitutes an insurrection. Article 466, Penalties to be imposed. The acts of participating in the movement of insurrection are punishable by an imprisonment from 7 years to 15 years. 1. By erecting barricades, trenches, or by constructing any works with the purpose of preventing the action of the public forces. 2. By occupying of a building or an installation by force or by the scheme. 3. By destroying a building or an installation. 4. By undertaking the transportation or supplies of logistic for insurgents. 5. By direct provoking the assembly of the insurgents. 6. By possessing or carrying a weapon. 7. By substituting the legitimate authorities. Article 467, Aggravating circumstances of insurrection. The act of participating in the movement of insurrection is punishable by an imprisonment from 10 years to 20 years. 1. By seizing by force, weapons, munitions, explosives, or any other substance dangerous to persons. 2. By providing the insurgents with weapons, ammunitions, explosives, or the substances dangerous to the persons. Article 468, Leading of insurrection. The act of leading the movement of insurrection is punishable by an imprisonment from 20 years to 30 years. Article 469, Additional penalties, categories and duration. For the crimes laid out in the present chapter, the following additional penalties may be pronounced. 1. Deprivation of certain civil rights definitively or for a period of not more than 5 years. 2. Prohibition against pursuing a profession during which time the crime was committed in course of or during the occasion of pursuing of this profession definitively or for a period of not more than 5 years. 3. Prohibition against taking residency for a period of not more than 10 years for a felony or for a period of not more than 5 years for a misdemeanor. 4. Prohibition against leaving the territory of the Kingdom of Cambodia for a period of not more than 5 years. 5. For a convicted foreigner, prohibition against entering or taking residency in the Kingdom of Cambodia definitively or for a period of not more than 5 years. 6. Confiscation of any instruments, materials, or any objects which have been used to commit the offense or were intended to commit the offense. 7. Confiscation of one or several vehicles belonging to the convicted person. 8. Prohibition against possessing or carrying weapon definitively or for a period of not more than 5 years. 9. Posting the decision of sentence for a period of not more than 2 months. 10. Publication of the decision of sentence in the newspapers. 11. Broadcasting the decision of sentence by all means of audiovisual communications for a period of not more than 8 days.